好自然嘅環境呢邊，睇到冇？嗱，背山面海啊，真係一流啊！呢個環境。嗰邊咧就係大海啦。咁呢度咧仲有一個小溪。咁小溪咧呢度仲有種好多嗰啲橙噶啦。呢度係韓國嘅紫洲豆。呢度出名咩咧？係好多好天然嘅嘢、自然嘅嘢，仲有水果就喺呢邊啦。咁咧呢度咧嘅土地都好肥嘅，因為佢本身咧係一個火山爆發咗嗰啲石，好多地方都有嘅，所以地下咧係好肥嘅一個地下，適合種植嘅。OK，So OK， 今日同大家講係關於呢個 Rain Soap 啦。咁咧而家咧我同大家講係關於 Rain Soap 對皮膚有咩幫助咧 ？OK。咁如果有啲人佢哋皮膚唔好，或者係有乾燥，或者係有呢個牛皮癬，甚至乎濕疹，又或者有好多黑斑，好多原因咧都係因為佢嘅肝唔好。OK， 因為我哋嘅肝咧係創造好嘅荷爾蒙嘅，所以咧如果係皮膚有問題嘅人咧，即係講第一點，梗係要早瞓啦，因為我哋嘅肝係響11點到2點之間咧係做工嘅。咁如果你夜晚冇瞓覺咧，就會形成到呢個肝咧係會唔健康嘅。嚟過嚟睇睇。OK， 咁除咗係肝第一要早瞓咧，咁第二咧就係佢需要好嘅油，因為佢呢個肝有好嘅油咧，佢先至創造好嘅荷爾蒙，先會幫助到我哋嘅皮膚。因為我哋嘅皮膚如果係有牛皮癬嘅朋友，你哋可以早5晚一日飲3包。咁你飲之前咧，佢有多少變化，即係有多少佢嘅象徵嘅，就比如講你飲開可能會更加痕，又或者係會更加紅色你嘅皮膚。咁你唔使驚，你繼續咁飲落去，你維持4個月到6個月咧，好多呢個牛皮癬或者係濕疹咧都係有幫助嘅。因為我好多朋友都係有呢個問題，就係飲開 Rain Soap 就幫助到佢嘅皮膚嘅問題啦。OK，so 有咩問題你可以打呢個電話，你可以問我嘅。咁如果係我哋嘅皮膚本身有問題咧，通常皮膚有問題嘅人咧，都係佢哋嘅肝唔好嘅，所以你可以 check 佢嘅指數。就好似有時我去又去一啲 patient 去探佢哋嗰陣時咧，即係肝硬化啲我啲朋友，又或者係佢哋肝有腫瘤嘅咧，咁我都好留意佢哋嘅皮膚，佢嘅皮膚通常係非常乾嘅，佢乾到直頭你刮佢有多少嗰啲皮碎會甩嚟嘅，所以咧我哋嘅皮膚靚唔靚咧，就同我哋嘅肝咧係好大嘅分別嘅。咁未必你可以講我哋嘅皮膚問題可唔可以拎嚟搽嘢搽成係好嘅，但係咧始終嘅問題唔係響出邊嘅問題，牛皮癬濕疹咧都係因為我哋嘅肝缺少某樣嘢，正會造成呢個皮膚嘅問題。OK， 咁除咗你拎嚟食咧，呢個 Rain Soap 一日最少3包，早5晚空肚食咧。當你食完之後，你仲可以用呢個 Rain Soap多餘嘅係搽響你嘅皮膚處嘅。當你搽皮膚處咧，佢就有幫助呢個止痕啦等等啦，因為依包Rain Soap 咧，佢係有好強嘅抗氧化，仲有 essential fatty acid， 尤其是對於嗰啲有傷口嘅人，比如講糖尿病嘅問題，佢哋即係有爛卡、有傷口有成嘅糖尿病嘅患者，佢哋都一樣可以將呢個 Rain Soap 嚟搽響佢嘅傷口嗰邊係有幫助嘅。So 咧呢個 Rain Soap 咁就有幫助到皮膚啦。咁有皮膚嘅人，你堅持食落去，最少食4個月啦。咁你可以問點解要食4個月咧？好簡單，因為4個月咧係我哋嘅係我哋嘅血，當我哋嘅血循環嘅日期啊，我哋嘅身體嘅紅細胞，如果要循環嚟講咧，佢基本上嚟講係要120日。咁120日就係4個月啦。所以你食 Rain Soap 咧，最少堅持4個月啦。OK。Even 到你皮膚嗰個牛皮癬或者濕疹好咗，你都繼續食，即係之前可能食3、4包、5包，但係好咗嗰陣時咧，你都最少一日食2包或者係1包去維持落去嘅。咁咧有皮膚病嘅朋友咧，牛皮癬或者係濕疹咧係咩原因咧？因為我哋成身嘅細胞咧有6000萬億個細胞，咁每一粒細胞咧係咪佢都係需要呢個膽固醇嘅？簡稱嚟講咧，佢係需要一層靚嘅油，因為呢層油咧能夠幫助到佢 點樣講活化細胞。所以如果細胞佢吸收唔到靚嘅油咧，就會慢慢變成壞細胞、癌細胞、癌症啦。所以我哋每一個人身體咧都係有呢個癌細胞嘅危險性嘅。OK， 咁呢一包 Rain Soap 咧就要幫助我哋第一樣嘢就係 reactive 我哋嘅細胞，活化我哋嘅細胞啦。所以有皮膚問題嘅人咧一定要飲呢一包，因為呢一包 Rain Soap 佢唔係果汁水，佢本身成包咧係用呢個種子即係種子最細粒嘅精華撳出嚟嘅。撳出嚟嗰個嘢咧叫做 essential fatty acid， 簡稱嚟講叫脂肪酸啦。所以呢樣嘢咧係有幫助到我哋嘅細胞咁咧亦都有好強嘅抗氧化。咁你都知道㗎啦，細胞除咗係佢需要食營養，仲要糖分。另外一樣嘢就係呢個抗氧化啦。咁抗氧化亦都可以講簡稱嚟講係抗老化，又或者係抗癌化。所以對於癌症嘅朋友咧，一日可以一日我睇最少一日都要飲4到8包啦，每一擺2包啦，朝早2包，晏晝2包，夜晚2包，一日6包嚟食呢個 Rain Soap 啦，係有好大嘅幫助嘅。所以大家試一試啦，最少試4個月。OK， 多謝大家，拜拜。
As I strolled without a care, 'cause I'm going down the road to a brand new place, and I'll get there with a smile on my face. Yeah, so lift me up, I'm moving on, singing and dancing while I play my song. Yeah, I'm having a good time, keeping it going. Come on, clap your hands and won't you sing along? And now let's take it up high, give our dreams their wings to fly. Gotta keep the fire, keep the fire burning, keep the hope alive. You gotta keep it turning.
So many aspects of modern life negatively impact our health. Our schedules don't allow time for healthy meals or sufficient exercise. We're under constant stress, and environmental pollution takes its toll. We created Rain Nutrition to give people a way to take control of their health. Our product line is based on years of extensive empirical research by a dedicated team of scientists. In recent years, this scientific team discovered that botanic oils and flowers extracted from seeds have a profoundly higher concentration of antioxidants and essential fatty acids than pulps and juices. Used in combination, these oils and flowers form a powerhouse to improve core health. The ingredients create a healthy synergy, something truly greater than the sum of its parts. Our potent healthy blends use the highest quality cold-pressed ingredients, a process that gently presses and separates the seeds into oils and flowers without the use of heat or chemicals. These pure, extremely powerful oils and flowers offer a defense system strong enough to fight the effects of our modern world, helping the body to repair itself from the inside out. We've used these cold-pressed oils and flowers to develop products that are clinically proven to deliver consistent and measurable effects on the human body. Our nutritional system gives you freedom from poor health and the effects of modern life, and our opportunity will help you to escape from financial worries and achieve success. With this foundation, you're free to create the life you want. By joining Rain Nutrition, you become an entrepreneur, backed by a networking company with vision, knowledge, and the desire to make a difference. You can take advantage of a lucrative compensation plan that pays 7 different ways, with a guaranteed 50% payout every week. And when you share Rain, you allow others to support their health, and you support research that could make us all healthier. We donate a portion of all profits to furthering prevention research and promoting good health. Become part of a unique wellness company and come into the rain. Take control of your health and discover opportunity.